Welcome to Life on Pig Row, and today we're doing the rest of the hedge. So last year we started at the far end, just beyond the shed, reducing the height of a hawthorn and hazel hedge which had grown rather tall. It had grown this tall. As you can see, we've been removing quite a lot of it and just stacking it up ready for a bonfire later in the year.
Smile, but that's nice.
So what does the finished result look like? So this is everything we've cut this winter. So before you start panicking and wondering whether it'll grow back, this from here on in is what we cut last winter. So you can see straight away the hedge grew back, nice and bushy. So it's goodbye from Life on Pig Row.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
What she said. Bye bye.
Bye bye.